Hey everyone, it's Lily here. If you've always wanted to speak English confidently but didn't know where to start, today is your day. I'm going to show you how to start speaking simple, natural English right now, even if you're a complete beginner. So relax, grab your tea or coffee, and let's talk like friends. When you're learning English, the first step is to stop worrying about mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. The secret is to just start speaking short, simple sentences that help you sound real and natural. Let's try some together. When you meet someone new, don't overthink it. You can simply say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice to meet you." If you want to sound a little friendlier, you can say, "Hey, how's it going?" That's how most people talk in daily life. And when they ask, "How are you?" you can reply, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Or, "I'm doing great today." Now imagine you're at a cafe. You don't need fancy words. You can say, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?" Or, "Can I get a sandwich?" If you want to be polite, add a smile and a thank you. When the person gives your order, you can say, "Thanks so much." That's it. Simple, friendly, and natural. Let's move to home conversations. If you live with family or friends, you can practice daily English with them. Say things like, "What's for dinner?" Or, "Can you help me with this?" Or, "Let's watch a movie." You can also describe what you're doing. "I'm cleaning the room," "I'm cooking rice," or "I'm tired today." Saying these small sentences out loud builds your speaking muscles. At school, you can use simple lines too. You might say, "What page are we on?" Or, "Can you explain that again?" If you're making friends, try, "Do you want to sit together?" Or, "That was a good class." Notice how small and easy these sentences are. You don't need long grammar. Just start speaking naturally. Shopping is another great place to practice. When you walk into a store, say, "Hi, do you have this in a medium size?" Or, "How much is this?" When you're ready to pay, you can say, "I'll take this one, please." And when you leave, "Thank you. Have a nice day." See, you just spoke full English sentences. Now let's travel a bit. Imagine you're at an airport or a hotel. You can say, "Where is the check-in desk?" Or, "Can I get a taxi to the city?" At a hotel, say, "I have a booking under my name." Or, "Can I have some extra towels, please?" These are real lifelines you can use anywhere in the world. Let's talk about emotions. It's good to express how you feel in English. You can say, "I'm happy today," "I'm a little sad," "I'm excited," or "I'm nervous." When something surprises you, you can say, "Really?" or "No way!" These little reactions make your English sound alive, not like a textbook. For small talk, the trick is to be curious. Ask easy questions. "How's your day going?" "What do you do?" "Do you like this weather?" Or just share something. "I love this song." "It's a nice day." Or, "I'm so hungry." Simple lines like these help you connect with people without stress. Here's a fun tip. Try to think in English, even for small moments. When you wake up, say in your mind, "I'm getting up." When you eat, think, "This tastes good." When you go out, say, "I'm walking to the shop." This builds your natural flow slowly and easily. And don't forget, listen more than you read. Watch movies, listen to songs, and repeat short lines out loud. For example, if a movie character says, "Let's go," pause and say it too. Match their tone. Feel the rhythm. That's how your brain starts learning real conversation English. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. You're learning a new skill, and that takes time. Every small sentence you speak is a win. You don't need big, fancy words. Just speak from your heart. So from today, promise yourself one thing. Speak a little English every day. Talk to yourself, your mirror, your friends, or even your phone. Practice in small steps. You'll be surprised how fast you improve when you stop waiting and start speaking.